Here today we have an indoor and outdoor antenna booster. It'll pick up to 1,000 channels in your area. It has a short range of 35 miles or less in an amber light. And it have a long range green light. It'll hook up to the nearest cell tower. It is for RVs, campers, boats, and more, where you have your TV set. You place the antenna as high as possible, as closest to an open window. You'll pick up a number of channels, along with your existing channels. We're going to set this up and show you what it's about. You get yourself a USB port, plugs into a 500 milliamp brick. We're going to plug the unit into the side. It has a built-in chip, advanced chip. We are on short range and we change it to long range and vice versa. Short range would be amber and long range would be green. You have a plug that can come out and go in, so you can plug this in. This is your coax cable that plugs into your input of your TV or tuner box. The antenna has two keyholes supplied with two anchors and screws or self-adhesive that you could stick on over on one side and stick onto the wall. Before sticking onto the wall anywhere, please make sure that your antenna picks a signal up by rotating around in all degrees. You're given about up to 15 feet of cable to place your antenna in your house. On the back of the TV, you have a USB port. Plug in. You have your coax area. Disconnect. And you have your coax to put in from the HD antenna. Connect. With the tool, tighten down. Confirm that your cables are plugged in. And at your highest point of the house and nearest the window, secure it to the wall. Go into your settings, broadcast, auto program, and start. On air, it will search for all your DTV air channels and air channels and bring up whatever channel is available in your area from the HDTV antenna. As it's finding a minimum of 20 channels in the broadcast station of the cell tower. 389 channels were found and stored on the TV. DTV Air has 20, Air has 0, TV Plus has 369 channels. Close out and open up your TV. We are watching CBS, Touched by the Angels, Living Signal, and more. The signal comes in nice and clear. We have a lot of TV shows to go through. You may go over to the chip and switch from short range to long range to get a better signal. As you can see, that is switching of the chip and the signal may get lost. I hope this is something that you are looking for in your household needs for an RV, a camper, a boat, being outdoor, indoors, where you need to get a signal to your TV through an antenna booster. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.